use Astrosage. This is not a promotion. Okay, I use this app and it is very reliable. I have seen till now, and it is free of cost. Okay, you do not need to pay any money to use this, and it is very accurate. I have seen it. Okay, so it's your preference after all, but I use this, so I'll be showing example with this. Okay, let's say our name X. Okay, so I want a birth chart, right? So X, so let's say it's male, and let's say I do not change the time. Okay, let's say the time is 28/12/22. That means I am recording this video now, so someone is born in this time, exact time. Okay, and the birthplace is say Kolkata, for example. Okay, fine. So I'll just get the kundli. So here you can see birth chart or kundli. So I'll click it. I got the chart. Okay, forget about the Navamsa chart for now. Just focus on the Lagna chart. Okay, so I'll just try to explain it. Okay, see, I talked about the houses, right? So here you will see, I think you can follow the cursor, right? So I'll just use a pen. Okay, see, this particular house is house number 1. Okay, forget about the numbers now. Just understand, this is house number 1, this is house number 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, this is 12. And it will be same for every individual. Okay, for every birth chart it will be same. Understand it. This will always be house number 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, in this way. Okay, so whenever you draw a bar chart, so this will be the houses. Okay, and it is not written. Understand it. House numbers are not written. It is implicitly understood. That's why I have written it 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, so now given we know the houses, let me delete the house numbers. You already know which house is which number, right? So I'm just deleting the house numbers. Done. Okay, I think what happened. Okay, now you see, I'll just change the color. Okay, now you see, so this house number 1 is basically your Lagna, the ascendant. Okay, house number 1 means your Lagna or ascendant. Okay, so here you see we have 4th zodiac sign. This is the 4th zodiac sign, 4. I told you, right, in the last video that the order will be maintained, but it does not mean that house number 1 will always have house number zodiac sign 1. That's not the case. So house number 1 has zodiac sign 4. That means it is Cancer. Okay, that's why I told you to remember the mappings of the number zodiac sign numbers and the zodiac signs. So 4 is Cancer. Okay, so it starts from 4. Now see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 1, 2, 3. Likewise. Okay, so the ascendant here is 4. That means Cancer. Okay, next house number 2 has 5, meaning Leo in it. Okay, here we have Leo, here we have Cancer. Let's take a random 1 has Aries. That means house number 10 has Aries. Here let's say house number 5 has Scorpio. Okay, how am I saying this? Using the number. Okay, so the house numbers are implicit, but the zodiac signs are already provided for you. Okay, understand it. So likewise, this 10 is Capricorn. We will have Capricorn here. Okay, likewise. Now we saw there are 12 houses. We saw there are 12 zodiac signs present in the houses in order. Wherever it starts, then it continues, right? And now we have some planets present in it, right? So here you see house number 1 doesn't have any planet. Okay, that means what happens is your self, or how you look, or what should I say, about you, your appearance, it will be like Cancer. Okay, so how did Cancer look like? If I had to remember, Cancer means it is sensitive and moody. So by default you will be sensitive, you will be moody, because you are ruled by moon. Okay, that is your lagna, that is your ascendant, understand it. Next, your money. These houses, your money, your family, your speech, your food, right? So here we have 5, meaning Leo. That means it is ruled by sun. Okay, what were the characteristics of sun? If we can check it out, see, sun was core, authoritative, government. Okay, so you might have some relation with authoritative or government. Okay, your family might be connected to some government. Your monetary your money or your wealth might be connected with some government things, or maybe through some government you will get some money. Okay, that is the meaning of this, right? So likewise it works. Now you see, this house number 6, this is house number 6, right? Here we have 2 planets, Sun and Venus. What does it mean? Meaning, first you will see house number 6, it deals with services, it deals with diseases, it deals with your recovery. Now we have 9 present here. Now what does 9 mean? Sagittarius. Now that Sagittarius features will be present, present in house number 6. Now what is the Sagittarius properties? As you understand, aim to one, or all rounder, right? So your services will be like Sagittarius. Okay, you maybe like to serve using your knowledge, or maybe using some, you want to serve in many different domains. Likewise, now we have sun present here. That means your service area will be authoritative. Okay, you have Venus here, so your services might be something related with beauty, something related with exotic things, something related with brands. Okay, so this is how you need to see all the properties of any house. Okay, say you have this Mercury in house number 7. Now what happens? So your partners will be intelligent. Okay, now if that Mercury is in a good position, then right, but that will be, that I'll talk afterwards. But for now you understand that Mercury, if it is present in your 7th house, that is the partner's house, what will happen? Your partners will be able to communicate, they will be good in communication, or they will be intelligent, they will be related to intelligence. Okay, you have Saturn also present there. That means what happens is Saturn makes you hardworking, so your partners will be hardworking. Okay, given that Saturn is working fine for you here, it is the normal characteristics. Okay, moreover, it is house number zodiac sign 10 is present. What is 10? It is Capricorn. So Capricorn 10, so Saturn is sitting in its own zodiac. So 10 is ruled by Saturn, right? Capricorn is ruled by Saturn, and Saturn is sitting in his own house, or in his own zodiac sign. That means your partners will be very hardworking, will be very truthful. Okay, that is the meaning. Or house number 7 is also related with marriage. So if Saturn is present there, it might make your marriage delay. Okay, it might make it a delay. Okay, so you see Rahu is present in house number 10. That means you will be more attentive to your work. Okay, and Ketu is present in house number 4. That means you will be away from home, or you have least attachment with your home, your mother, likewise. Okay, see Jupiter is present in house number 9 in its own sign, Pisces. 12 is Pisces, right? So Jupiter is present in house number 9 and it is present in Pisces. So it is very, very auspicious. because house number 9 is luck. Okay, it is the house of higher education, and since Jupiter, the teacher, the guru, is present in house number 9, it is very auspicious. Okay, you will be most likely you will be in a teaching profession, or you will be related to wisdom, higher wisdom. Okay, so in this way you need to see all these things. Okay, so Mars is present in Taurus in house number 11. Okay, so this particular thing here, Mars in 2, what happens is, if Mars is in a very good position, then what happens, it will bring you success. Okay, we have some concepts as dasha, antradasha, pratyantardasha, so we'll see that afterwards. It's not like everything here will happen all the time in your life, no. Okay, when the time of Mars comes, then you will see the effect of house number 11. Okay, you have some concepts of constellation, star lords. Okay, we'll see that afterwards, but for now you understand that this is the overview of your chart. Okay, in this way it works. Now, given all these things, you have to check whether a given planet in a particular zodiac sign, is it working at the highest level, or is it working in a low level energy. You have to understand that. So if it is working, if it is present in a particular zodiac sign which is supportive of it, then what happens, it will be exalted, meaning it will be the most powerful. For example, here you see this particular Mars, if it was present in, say, for example, some other say was present in Capricorn, for example, Mars was present in house number 7, which was Capricorn's house. Okay, then Mars would have gained exaltation. That means it would have gained the highest power. Okay, so let's say Moon was present here. Okay, so Moon in Scorpio would have been debilitated. That means it would have got the least power. It would be very weak. Okay, the power of Moon in Scorpio will be very weak. That means it is called debilitated. Okay, so moon will not be able to give its power. Here you see, this is Moon is sitting in 5th house, meaning the house of children, the house of entertainment, the likes. Okay, so 5th house is a very good house, right? But Moon will not be able to give the good aspects or good features of the 5th house because it is debilitated in 8th house. It is debilitated in Scorpio. Okay, so in this way it works.